name is Susan Gartell. I'm the Director of Development for American Cancer Society in Utah. I'm joining you on October 11th right here in beautiful Sandy, Utah. We're at America First Field celebrating our Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk. This is our 20th year of doing this in the state of Utah, and we're celebrating our first time here at America First Field. American Cancer Society started Breast Cancer Awareness Month 20 years ago as well to turn awareness into action and to make sure that women were knowing how important it was to get screened. Breast cancer is the leading cause of death amongst women, and we know that about 2,300 people, women in Utah alone this year are going to be diagnosed with breast cancer. So all proceeds for this walk go to breast cancer research, and more importantly, it's this opportunity for everyone to come out who is part of this community, whether you're a caregiver, a survivor, a thriver, a previvor. If you've been touched by breast cancer, this is the place for you. Seeing this sea of pink and everyone come out is really amazing. And part of this, again, this sea of pink is having the right visuals, and Strike Visuals always comes through for us. They make sure that our events look amazing, super sharp, and we have beautiful pink signage up everywhere courtesy of them. So thanks so much.